Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you how to set official for the root user. In one of my previous video I tried to explain that process, but I failed, I can say, because I didn't show you the exact exact procedures or steps to achieve that result. So in this video I will show you how to do that. First of all, you need to open the terminal. You can search on internet or Google how to change the default shell. The command we use is chss, change shell -s, and the path to the official. You can find where the official binary is located by using where is or the which command. First of all, we should use which command instead of where is. So you will get the path to the executable. So you can type chss -s and user/bin/fish and press enter. I already did that. For normal user, when you try to do that, it will ask you for the password. So I am going to type my password, and here I got a command called shell not changed, because I already set my default shell to official, so it won't change. Next thing you need to do is do the same for a root user. In this step I showed you how to change the default shell for normal user. So you need to first of all reboot your system or log out and log in. Then only the default shell for the user will be changed. Otherwise it will stay same. I think it's bash. So for root user it's very simple. Follow the same procedure. Just type sudo su, then type your root password. Okay, now you can see here I already configured the root user shell as fish2 along with starship. It's another prompt. In the last video I showed you how to download the starship. It's actually in the Arc official repository, so you only need to type the command sudo pacman -s starship. I already created a note on Joplin notebook or Joplin application. You can refer to that. So once you did that, you need to copy my fish config file from GitHub. So that's another thing you need to do. I already configured starship to run inside fish shell, so that will not be a problem. Also you need to install OMF or my fish. So there will be two things you need to do. First of all, let me split the window. So first of all, you can see the below command prompt is normal user. First of all, you need to install fish, then starship, then omyfish. Omyfish can be installed using a command which I think it's like curl command. I don't remember exactly. Okay, you need to refer to the internet. So first of all, you need to run that command to install fish. It's very simple. omyfish cannot be installed from the official repository. You need to download it and link somehow to the fish program. It's well explained in their website. So you once you did that on the normal user prompt, the omyfish will be only available for the normal user. So you need to do the same process to the root user too. So let me show you how to do that. I'm going to open Joplin application. It will take some time. Be patient. Okay. Here you can see this command curl -l https and a link to their website and so on, and it is pipetter fish shell. So you need to copy this command and you need to make sure you run this command on both normal user shell and root user shell. Then only the omyfish will get installed. Otherwise you will get error while configuring fish shell for root user. So again, to change the default shell for root user, the same command can be run s/user/bin/fish. Okay, that will again throw me this this message called shell not change, because I already configured my default shell for root user as fish. So that will not make any change at all. So next step is very important. Okay, in my git repo there is a folder called Linux system. Inside that you could find a config file for fish and all other programs I use. So you need to copy this config folder, this content of this config folder from my git repo to your .config folder, which is located in your home directory .config. So make sure you do that. But one thing you need to take care of is that you need to do the same step for your root user too. Then only my custom fish config will be applicable to the root user too. Otherwise you will only see the fish shell in its default form, which is not that good, because in the normal fish shell prompt we will not be running starship prompt. Even if you change the shell default shell of the root user, install my fish on the root user, it still won't load my custom configuration located at the fish.config fish. So to do that, just type cp -r/home/ray, which is my username. So ray/.config/fish/ then you go to type tilde.config/fish, not fish, just tilde.config. What this command does is just recursively copy the content of home/ray, which is the normal user. Inside that there is a .config folder, then we will go and copy the content inside the fish folder, and that will be copied to where? The .config folder of whom? The root user. Here when I use the command tilde/, it means the home folder of the root user. Okay, you need to understand one concept in Linux. This root user and normal user both are different users. You need to do the same thing for another program called nvim cp. Okay, here you can see I am copying my nvim folder, which is located in my user, which is ray, to the root user home directory, that is tilde/.config. Okay, here the nvim folder will be copied to .config. So let me once again conclude the step. We will use chsh command -s option and then the path to the fish shell to set the fish shell as default shell on both normal user and root user. You need to do you need to apply the same command on both user. Then you will run or install my-fish command, that is actually a curl command, I don't remember it. Okay, this curl command on both normal user and root user. Then next step is to copy the content from normal user to the root user config folder. Okay, beside this there was an error which is actually caused by a command inside the .config folder. I will show you. So first of all, to solve that command you need to go to the fish folder, config fish folder. Here you need to enter the functions folder. Okay, in the functions folder you need to open this file called fish_user_key binding. So here I don't know why this error is causing. It is still not resolved in the fish official repository. Maybe it's the configuration inside my system, but I don't know. Every time I install fish I face this problem. That's why I am mentioning that problem inside this video too. So here first of all, even if you configure everything, it will throw an error called fzf key binding function not found, something like that. So you need to come to the this file, which is located inside .config fish functions fish_user_key binding_fish which is the name of that file. Inside that file you need to comment out this fzf key binding function call. Just comment that out because this line is causing the trouble. So once you commented out using this hash symbol, like I did, like I am showing you right now, you can write to that file. Then you are ready to go. You need to do the same thing for the root user too. So go to the .config/fish/functions fish. Okay, nvim. So here you need to open the fish user_key binding. Then you need to make sure you commented out the fzf key bindings function call. So once you did that, all problem will be solved. That's it. That's how we successfully configure fish shell for both normal user and root user. Okay, anyway, thanks for watching. I will see you soon.